Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 49th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. So now let us type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use pre-tag. We'll start with HTML tag, body tag, pre-tag. Here we'll write this is a very small program and we'll end the pre-tag, body tag and HTML tag. Now before we save the program, I will give you the information about the pre-tag. The pre-tag in HTML is used to define the block of preformatted text which preserves the text spaces, line breaks, tabs and other formatting characters which are ignored by web browsers. So this is the description of pre-tag. So now we will save the program with the extension HTML and in all files. So now we will check the output. So this is the basic output of pre-tag, how to use pre-tag, very easy and very simple. And don't forget to check the tags in description